Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Matlab and letting the desktop load fully. Once ready, scan the main workspace for the panel labeled Command Window, usually centered or docked bottom. If it's hidden, make sure to restore the default layout via Home, then Layout, then Default. Alternatively, type Command Window into any visible prompt to open or focus it. Doing this immediately places you where you type commands, so you can run short tests like 2+2 and confirm the window is active. Once the command window is visible, click inside so you have keyboard focus. You'll notice up /down arrows cycle previous commands, very handy for repetition. Run immediate commands by typing and pressing Enter, or run whole scripts from the editor with F5 and watch output appear here. Make sure to clear clutter with CLC, and you can resize or redock the window by dragging its title bar to organize your workspace. This keeps interactive work fast and helps you debug line by line. To finish, customize the command window for comfort. Open Preferences to set font size and color, then drag the title bar to undock or drop it to redock and save your preferred layout. Once done, make sure to test by running a short script and observing output formatting. If the command window disappears or behaves oddly, restore the default layout from Home or simply restart Matlab. If problems persist, reset the desktop layout and reopen Matlab to recover the standard interface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.